Our rule, the lead and copper improvements rule, will ensure that communities around the country catch up to Denver Water and the good work they're doing to remove all those lead service lines within 10 years. Federal funding is vitally important to remove lead service lines around the cities all around the country. It helps ensure that cities can take action today to hire the contractors to remove those lead service lines and therefore improve public health.
Well, Denver Water took on the responsibility of this problem in 2020, actually in 2019, started saying, we will replace these service lines for you. We're not responsible for it, but we're going to take care of it for you. Federal government has come along thanks to funding from the Bipartisan Infrastructure Act. And so they put resources that will go across the country to help communities do this work. So the way they're being a partner for us is to add dollars, and the dollars and resources help us accelerate the program so we can finish earlier than we'd planned. It's a difficult thing to know where the lines, how many lines there are. We estimated originally that there might be as many as 84,000 lines. I think the latest estimate is we're closer to the 60,000 mark. And we're almost halfway through that 60,000, so we're making great progress. There's no lead in Denver Water's water. What we're doing is eliminating the risk of lead exposure in service lines that are in people's homes.